my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
All you need to know about 2025 Ford Everest. Ford has been releasing new vehicles at a rapid pace recently, and the third-generation Everest arrives at a time when ladder-frame SUVs are becoming increasingly popular. The adventurous three-row family hauler, based on the 2022 Ranger, benefits from the same novelties presented with the midsize truck. It has wider tracks, plus 50 mm/1.97 inches, for enhanced on-road stability, as well as damper modifications for better off-road performance. 2025 Ford Everest exterior. With a nearly identical front fascia as its Ranger relative, the style follows suit. The conversion from a pickup to an SUV has resulted in longer rear doors for easier access to the back seats. The tail lights are far larger than those on the truck, and they flank a huge bar on the tailgate with Everest lettering. Ford claims that the roof can withstand water up to 800 mm, 2.6 feet, and that it can bear static loads of 350 kg, 772 pounds, or dynamic loads of 100 kg, 220 pounds. Surprisingly, there's room in the engine bay for a second battery to power different aftermarket gadgets that add to the Everest's rugged appeal. 2025 Ford Everest interior and features. Inside the three-row sanctuary, as Ford calls it, massive improvements have taken place, including the addition of Ford's Sync 4 infotainment system. The portrait-oriented touchscreen on the lower trim levels measures 10.1 inches diagonally, while the more expensive models have a 12-inch diagonal. The digital instrument cluster follows the same pattern, with sizes ranging from 8 to 12.3 inches depending on the version. The 2025 Ford Everest is packed with technology, from a 360-degree camera and matrix LED headlamps to adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. In the event that braking alone isn't enough to prevent a collision, the Blue Oval has also integrated an automatic evasive steer aid. If an accident occurs, post-collision braking is activated to prevent a secondary collision. 2025 Ford Everest engine. There are the usual suspects in the powertrain range, with the turbo diesel 3.0-liter V6 at the top. The new Everest will be available with a smaller 2.0-liter diesel engine with 1 or 2 turbochargers, depending on the market. If oil burners aren't your thing, the body-on-frame SUV will also be available with the familiar 2.3-liter EcoBoost gasoline engine starting in 2025. These come with either a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission, depending on the engine. 2025 Ford Everest price and release. The RWD-based Ford Everest will be available in Sport, Titanium, and Platinum trim levels when it goes on sale later this year, with further versions planned depending on the market. In India, the previous generation was also known as the Endeavour. The Arquus Trapper VT4 is a light-duty tactical vehicle based on the second-generation Everest that the French military employs as a people carrier. We don't have any price information because there isn't a credible source for it.